In the system of equations, 9x minus 15y equals 5, 5ax minus 10y equals 8, a is constant and xy are variables. For what value of a will the system of equations have no solutions? We have here system of linear equations. We know that the graph of linear equation is straight line. And we will have no solution if these two lines are parallel. So let's put that this is line K and this is line L. We will have no solution if line K will be parallel to L. What it means? Line K will be parallel to line L if the slope of these two lines will be the same. When two lines are parallel, they don't touch each other, so they don't have the same point, so the equations will not have solution. So one more time, we have to find the slope of K and L first. So let me copy our first equation. We have K line 9x minus 15y equals 5. To find the slope, we need to change this equation to form y is equal ax plus b. From this line, coefficient before x is always our slope. So we need to have y on the left side, everything on the other side. So we will have negative 15y on the left is equal, and I will move 9x to the right, so it will be now negative 9x plus 5 we copy, because we need to have only y. So now I will divide both sides by negative 15. So negative 15 we will reduce, and we have that y is equal negative 9x. We have to divide by negative 15, and 5 we have to divide by negative 15. So we have that y is equal, negative and negative give me positive, and we can reduce 9 and 15 by 3, so it will be 3 and 5. So we have 3 over 5x, and positive and negative, so it will be negative 5 and 15, so it will be 1 and 3. So we have line K, and we see that the slope of line K is 3 over 5. Now we have to take the second line. I just put that this is L, our line L. Let me copy. We have 5ax minus 10y equals 8. Again, we have to rewrite this form to general form. We have to have y on the left side only and the rest on the other side. First expression on the right must be expression with x. The slope is coefficient before x. So I remove 5ax to the right. So negative 10y will stay is equal. Negative 5 will be ax. Plus 8 we copy. Now we will divide both sides by negative 10 because we need to have y only on the left side. So negative 10 we can reduce, and we have that y is equal. And now we have to divide on the right side every expression by negative 10. So we have negative 5ax over negative 10 plus 8 over negative 10. So we have that y is equal negative and negative will reduce, and 5 with 10, so it will be 1 and 2, and 8 with 10, so it will be 4 and 5. So, like I said, negative sign will reduce, so we have 1 times a, so it is a over 2x, positive and negative give me negative, 4 over 5. And now when we have this line L, like I said, we will have no solution if the slope will be the same. The slope of first line is 3 over 5 and the second is a over 2. So when the slope of the first line will be equal on the slope of the second line, we will have no solution. So we have 3 over 5 must be equal 8 over 2. So we have equation with one unknown, a. When we solve this equation for a, we will have the value for which our system of equations have no solution. So now, to solve this proportion, I will cross multiply. So numerator times denominator, so 3 times 2 is equal 5 times a. So 3 times 2 is 6, is equal 5a. Now I will divide both sides by 5. So 5 and 5 will reduce, and we have that a is equal 6 over 5. So for a equals 6 over 5, our two lines will be parallel, and when they are parallel, it means that the equation will not, the system of equations will not have solutions, because these two lines will not touch each other.